how can we recognize a genuine lineage? A genuine lineage is, basically there are lots of people in that lineage who is studying and practicing same kind of set of teachings, and they are like lots of people or some people who are genuinely practicing and who people can more or less feel or see that they have that some experience. We can see them how they live their life. We can see them how they die. We can see them how they face problems and difficulties of their life, and then we can say maybe this is a proper lineage, or genuine lineage is there. Or sometimes we can say if that that lineage or that group, the teachings are transmitted from one set of genuine lamas to another set of genuine lamas. Lamas here doesn't necessarily mean monks and nuns only. Anybody who are truly practicing them and devoted their life to that teaching and practice, and they, transmitted or they taught another generation. And it's not that everybody who is taught or who is in that are, really great lineage holders, but when the teaching is transmitted and they study and they practice and they, then they do the same with the next generation and generation. So you can see that lineage is not broken. It is not that somebody there was nobody who was teaching. There was nobody who actually received those teachings, but somebody just found a book and then he started to teach, and then the lineage is broken. So therefore, genuine lineage has history. So we can see it. We can, it's not, therefore the stories or the life stories of great beings, great lamas, great practitioners becomes important, especially those who teach, because if somebody at the moment, like many great masters like Karmapas and Setupas and Gyalwang Rinpoche, like in Kagyu, for instance, Sanjay Nyingpa, many great masters are giving transmission in all these teachings, and then they have received all those teachings from somebody very genuine master. So we look whether there was a genuine master before him, before him, before him, before him, and the one who is giving teachings is also a genuine master, then we are part of a genuine lineage. So that's also why we need to examine the teacher, because if somebody says, I'm a great teacher, I've become enlightened, I got the enlightenment when I was in the Himalayas or something like that, when I was in the forest, or I had visualization, or no, I had a, what do you call it, vision of the Buddha, and then he, says, I know everything. Then you find out that actually he doesn't have any teacher. And he would say that I've received all the teachings from so and so great masters, but when you a little bit research, he's been with them only a few days or a few months, and that Lama may not even recognize this person, or would say that I didn't give any of those teachings to him. Then, it's not, he doesn't have the lineage. So we have to be a little bit clear and careful whether there's the Lama or teacher actually knows the teaching, actually received the teaching, actually studied and practiced the teaching or not. And then, whether he has, he lives by those teachings, and he has certain kind of compassion and, truly, genuinely practicing. And then he knows how to teach. Thank you.